Hello, this is Shar from the Real Kitchen for Real People, and I trust that everyone is doing and feeling well and getting ready for the holiday season. And today we are going to fix us a quick lunch since we're busy doing different things. So I thought, well, this would be a good day to just do some junk stuff. So we're going to have chili cheese fries, and these are the ingredients I'm going to use. So what you need to do first is open up your can of chili, the no bean kind. I mean, if you want beans, you can use the one with beans, but I only use Hormel. I only like that brand in the can. So what I'm going to do is open that and put it in a pot so it can be warming up. And also I'm going to warm up my oil for my french fries, and I'll show you. Okay, I'm going to put this in the pot so it can be warming up. And I use the chili with no beans. And if you want, you can use the one with beans. Or they have so many different kinds out there now, so you can just use whatever canned chili that fits your desire and budget. But this is just a quick lunch we're gonna have, and I'm gonna warm it up. And I'm gonna add just about a tablespoon of water to that. Okay, and now I'm gonna start my oil. Turn this on about a medium low heat and let it cook until it's warmed up. Okay, let's start the oil. Okay, I'm going to turn my fire on medium high and add the oil till it's like a little less than half full, and I'm gonna let that heat up. I use these cast iron pots so that heat will be very hot. So whenever you cooking or frying anything, deep frying, be sure to be careful and watch the popping of the oil once it gets hot. So you want to lay your items into the hot oil real carefully. So I'll show you that once this is heated up. And I like to use these cast iron pots. If you don't have one, it's a great investment. Those Dutch oven, some call Dutch oven pots. I just call them cast iron pots, but they are a great investment in it for your kitchen. And I'm going to put the top on there. That way it'll heat up faster. And I'll use this same pot for anything that I'm deep frying. So it's a rough looking one. I've had it a while. But it is a great investment. Any type of cast iron cookware is a great investment for your kitchen. So I'm going to let that heat up like I said, and I will return in a minute. Okay, in the meantime, I will be shredding my cheese, and you can use any cheese you want. I'm going to use a little of this Kobe Jack cheese. So I'm going to shred that, and I'm going to use some extra sharp cheese, cheddar cheese. And then I'm going to use a little bit of this habanero hot cheese. I'm not going to use very much of that because I can't handle too much heat like that. But my husband, he likes that hot. So I'll put a little bit on there. So I'm going to grate up this cheese. And you can use, like I said, any cheese you want. And this is just a great little quick dish, especially this time of year when you're doing a lot of shopping and wrapping and all of this kind of stuff going on this time of year. Or you may be doing something else in the kitchen, like making candies and cookies or whatever. But this is something that's quick for those who are gathering, friends and family gathering. And these are always a crowd pleaser. These chili cheese fries. So we're gonna get that all grated up, and then we're gonna chop up our onions. So we'll do that until it's all done. Okay, now that's finished. And if you don't use all your cheese, you shred it. You can always put it in a storage bag. Put it in the refrigerator. It'll be okay. Because I always like to shred my cheese to avoid those chemicals that's on that pre-shredded cheese. Okay, so we're gonna get our onion, white onion, and we're gonna cut it and chop it up. So we'll garnish those fries with onions if you desire. Now before you start cutting these onions up, you always remember to get you a bowl. That's in one of my tips. To get you a bowl of water, and that'll keep you from crying while you're cutting up your onions. So you can read those tips in the bottom in my short area. I have some good tips down there. So you're gonna just cut that up so you can have your little garnished onions if you want. Some people don't want onions, so that's why I put it on this tray. That way you can add it if you want it. If you don't want it, don't add it. And some I've made it a while back with bacon on the top, which is good as well. Just cheese, the fries and the cheese and the bacon without the cheese. That's a whole different recipe. But this one is with chili cheese fries. And I have these frozen fries over here. And I get the extra crispy fast food fries, and they're pretty good. So I got a few of them left in this bag. That's why I chose to do this today and share it with you. So if you need a real quick something to serve a whole bunch of people that's at the house this time of year, this is the recipe for you. So I'm gonna cut that all up and get back. In the meantime, check on your oil and your chili. Okay, I turned on my blower and I put one fry in there. See, I turned off my chili, stirred it up real good and turned it off. So now I'm going to easily lay these frozen, because it'll splatter because they are frozen. And just fry your french fries until they're done. These are the frozen french fries. So I'm going to fry them until they're done. And when my fries are done, I'm going to put them on this cookie sheet that has the hole so it'll drain the oil down on the second sheet. So you want to be sure you drain your oil off your fries. The good thing about draining your fries on this pan that has the holes in it, it keeps your fries crunchy if you like crispy and crunchy fries. But you can get these little old pans like this, the little that has the holes in them, at the Dollar Tree for $1.25, so they're not that expensive. But they are good for cooking bacon on them, or either draining your french fries or chicken or whatever, and you just get a regular cookie sheet that goes underneath there, which you can sometimes get there at the Dollar Tree as well. If not, just put it over the top of a cookie sheet you already have. Okay, I'm going to take these out. They're done. When you start rising to the top, your fries, that's usually, unless you want them really dark, that's usually when they're done. And be sure, if you're cooking Christmas dinner, to check out my holiday meal menu on the playlist. It'll give you all kind of choices that you can fix and instructions to do it, that you can fix during the holiday. Okay, those are done. I'm turning my fire off, and then we're gonna move this over here. I'm gonna put this on top of my oil. Just keeps them hot. Spread them around on your pan. Okay, seeing how we are onion lovers, I'm gonna put my onions on first. So you just sprinkle your onions over the top of the fries. And I'll save some for the very top. Okay, then I'm going to put my cheese spread your cheese over your fries. As you can tell, I love potatoes. Okay, we're going to sprinkle that. And then we're going to put our chili over the top of this. So you're just going to spoon your chili over the top. Okay, and spread it out. It looks tasty already. Okay. And then let's put some more onion. A little bit more onion, and then more cheese. Okay. Okay, let's put a little more chili. Just dot it. You don't want to overbear it with your chili. And on top of this, like I said, you could put any kind of topping. Like you can crumble up bacon if you want. You can put jalapeno peppers. Or any kind of thing you want on top of these delicious chili cheese fries. So I'm going to just chop up a little jalapeno. You can also put salsa on the top as well. But I'm just going to slice just a little jalapenos on top. Not a lot, because like I said, I don't like a lot of hot stuff, but I do like the taste of the jalapeno without the seeds. So I'm not cutting up the seeds in here. Okay, you can see where I've added the jalapeno peppers. So if you like this recipe, please give me thumbs up and let me know in the comment what you think about this recipe. I like your feedback so I'll know what to make or have a general idea of the category you like. So this is just a quick snack, like I said, during this busy holiday time. You might want to make something real quick for your guests and families coming in and friends. And this is a great little snack for them while you preparing your big stuff. So, like I said, if you haven't subscribed, we would love for you to join the channel and start receiving recipes as I post them. And I hope you enjoy your Christmas holiday, and always remember to love, love. All right, see you later. You know what I'm fixing to do.